Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nesta, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're going to have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us. Hello, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nesta. Welcome to the Thomas Review channel, where we do unboxing, reviews, and how-to videos. Today I am unboxing and setting up the ToLife Dehumidifier. And it's version TZ-C45. I don't know how important that is. This is a room size dehumidifier, so we're going to open it up. This is how it came shipped. Of course, you guys know most of the time I do most of my purchasing off of Amazon. So that's where this came from, and this is how it was shipped. So I know most of you people already know the difference. The humidifier is to put moisture in your air, especially if you're suffering from any kind of respiratory issues. And a dehumidifier is to take the moisture out of the air. So I purchased this for we have humidifiers, we have diffusers, we have all that kind of stuff. But I purchased this dehumidifier because I feel like our bathroom gets too much moisture in it. And you all know moisture can cause mold. So let's unbox this dehumidifier that comes with the user manual. It also gives you like a little, this is the warranty card for 1 year. It gives you a quick instructions. So it says remove the water tank, pour out the water. When the water tank is full, it stops working automatically. The water indicator turns on. Press and hold the top switch for 1 second to turn it off, and unplug the adapter from the main socket. Remove the water tank from the unit. Remove the cover of the water tank and discard the collected water. Assemble the cover of the water outlet hole well. Then put the water tank back into the unit. Tips. To continue dehumidifying, press and hold the top switch, which is the power switch, for 1 second to switch the unit on. If the water tank assembly well, the working indicator displays green. So that's a little quick tip. It also have where you can call if you're having issues with your humidifier. So let's get this baby out of here. As y'all see, it's packaged pretty nicely. And pay no attention to the gentleman making noise in the background. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We're going to take this out of here. It's very lightweight, pretty much. It has, if you can see that, a little handle on the back here for you to carry it like so. Here's the socket. Here's the front of it. It has like a snooze. This looks like a light and this looks like power. You have here where you can see the water tank. And if I'm not mistaken, I bought the one that has lights. It should light up. I didn't plug it in yet. So this is how the back of it looks. And then that's the water tank. So we're just gonna do a quick setup here, just so you all can see what's going on. So this one was not that expensive, but to be honest with you, I caught a Black Friday sale, so y'all can hear it beep when it turn on. That's power. You can immediately hear the fans kick on here. I feel cool from this side and from this side actually. And as I said, this had light if y'all can see the little green light. All right, we're gonna do a couple of things here, because if I'm not mistaken, I just turned it right on. Okay, so I am right. This second button here is for you to change your lighting. So if you look at that, that turned it off, if y'all can see that. Hit it once. I'm going to turn down some lights so you guys can actually see it. I hope that helps for you to see it a little better. Look like I'm getting a reflection from something. So you have a button on here where you can change. I'm gonna lose another light. I really want you guys to see this because I think it's super cool. So the light is up there in here, right? So that was the off. Doesn't look very bright, but I'm trying to I still can't get it to show really well on here. But anyway, I'll just leave it be. But it does have a light, so you will notice that the light isn't that bright because you can't, the camera is not picking it up. Anyway, let's turn this baby around here. So we have like a snooze button. Let me jump in this manual really quick. So the light is not as reflective as it shows on the picture. Like I said, you guys are barely seeing it. Oh, there we go. That's a better way. Give me one sec. I really wanted y'all to see this because that was one of the things I liked about it. That's the green. On. Green. That's off. Okay. The light is not my friend. I've seen it turn green and blue so far. Sleep mode. At the startup, the dehumidifier has 7 lights that can change continuously. When you see your favorite color, you can press. Oh, that's what it is. It changes continuously. When you see your favorite color, press the light button to lock your preferred color. Then press the light button again to turn off the light, and press it again to return to the 7 even changes. So it is on now. That's off. And then I'm going to let it just change so we can see if we can catch the other colors. Sleep mode. You press the Z's button to activate night mode, which will turn off the lights, reduce the sound, and shift the gear to a lower setting. Pressing the Z's again to return to the normal mode. So I don't know if you guys can hear. So that's the night button. It sounds the same to me. I did look at the reviews on this, and the reviews were pretty decent, so I'm not sure. As y'all see, I took it right out the box. I don't see the colors changing right now, and I did press the still don't see the colors changing, but okay. I am going to Step 4 says that there's when the water tank is full, the dehumidifier will stop working automatically. During this time, the warning sound will emit 3 times and the red light will flash. To resume regular operation, the water tank must be empty and placed back into the appliance correctly. So I'm going to turn this off. Okay. And I am going to take the drawer out so we can see. I think this is about a liter. This is the top. You pull that straight up. As you can see, it's a lever on here. So I'm assuming when the water hits this is when it stops. Where it will stop. It looks like there's a plug here. There's a plug inside here. I guess if you had somewhere specific you wanted the water to drip into so that the bucket didn't get full. When the water tank is full, the dehumidifier will stop working and the light on the water tank will flash red. Unplug the cord, then remove the water filter. Remove the cover of the filter and discard the collected water. Assemble the water tank cover well, then put the water tank back in. It doesn't look like it's that complicated, but I guess this is where people have problems because it kind of stresses to make sure you put the tank back together properly. As y'all heard that loud beep when I popped it back in there. Again, this is very lightweight. It has the button, a little carrier, little handheld there. This is my first dehumidifier so far. I like the way it looks and everything. I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. Hopefully, I know y'all probably about to get on me. Sometimes I forget to do a follow-up. I've been trying to get better about doing follow-ups after we've had something for a little while, so I have to do that for a lot of videos. But I'll try to do a follow-up on this like after we get a full tank, hopefully. That way you guys can know how it looks, how it works for those of you who've never experienced a dehumidifier or had one or want to know how it works. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm super excited about this. I hope it works. I read the reviews on Amazon before I purchased it. As you all know, my hubby always puts a link in the description below so you could go purchase your own if it was something you were looking for. Y'all are welcome to leave comments, share us out, let us know what things you want us to review. And if we can, we'll get on that. Thank you all, as always, for spending time with me. Like, subscribe, share, follow, all that other good stuff. See you on the next video. Peace.